Congratulations. You signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude. Feel free. It is day 9. I'm feeling fine. I'm sitting down with a tall spine. Didn't mean to rhyme. I'm gonna stick to yoga. You see, I'm sitting down in a chair. You might be sitting down in a chair too. You might be at your office, at your home, wherever, but you just need to take a break and get a stretch in. You ran to your computer this morning. You got your coffee. You forgot to get a stretch in, and now your body is talking to you. It's saying, "Hey, show me some love." So come on, let's show our body some love with some chair yoga. If you have an armchair right there, make those adjustments. If you have a chair that can be adjusted height-wise, make those adjustments. We're going to get into some chair postures. I got my tools and stuff because maybe I need to put this in my lower back. Boom. Go ahead and put something right there in your lower back in your chair. See how that changes things. That helps me sit up more and my shoulders are relaxed and my feet are flat on the ground. Then we're going to start by taking our breath. Inhaling and exhaling. So let's inhale, breathe in through the nose, and then let's exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. That is already starting us off in the right direction. Taking a deep inhale and exhale. Sitting with intention in our chair. We're not just sitting down, slumped, not even thinking about our posture. My feet are flat. My feet are flat, a little fat too. I love them. On the ground. My knees are still in line with my ankles. I'm not crossing. I'm not moving over to the side. Letting the even blood flow. I have my shoulders relaxed. Good. I have my head still in line with my chest, my arms. I can bring them to the side or on the top of my legs, whatever works. But I'm sitting tall, powerful, and proud. Yeah. This is a powerful pose within itself. Just take a second to acknowledge and be aware of your posture and your body position and breathe into it. Yeah. We give up so much to the chair. We let the chair just take over and we slump into it, and then we get up and our posture is still painful and our body hurts. So we're going to take some away from the chair. Let's inhale slowly, bring both arms out and up into the side. Breathe in, exhale, let the arms come down. Let's do two more of those. Inhale, breathe in, and exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. Good. I want to take my left hand, reach it up into the sky. Good. And bring it over to the right side. Now, I want to pretend like I dropped my remote and I'm reaching down with the right as I take over my left. Oh, and I feel the stretch. I'm pressing down into this left leg so I don't fall out. Feel that stretch, breathe. And then slowly come up, bringing both hands up into the sky. Exhale, drop the left hand down, and we're going to come over. Good. So it's important to feel secure in your chair. You don't want to fall out, lean all over. Use the whole chair. Scoot back as much as you need to, or scoot forward as much as you need to. Feel the body start to open up here. Oh, that's good. Inhale, slowly bring both hands up. Exhale, dropping it down. Let's do a shoulder roll here. Inhale, shoulders roll. Exhale, dropping back and down. Drop my head. Ooh, that was a good crack in the shoulder. Drop my head to the right. Drop my head to the left. Inhale, shoulder roll. Exhale, let it go down. Drop my head to the right. Drop my head to the left. One more. Inhale, shoulder squeeze, crunch, roll, roll, roll. Good boat. Exhale, drop it down. Left, right. Good. Just making a circle with the head, breathing in and breathing out. Go ahead and close your eyes if you want to, or you can stare up at the fluorescent lights in your office or whatever works for you. Just move that head left and right. Feel that stretch. Good, good, good. Nice. Shoulder roll that out. Bounce it out. You already feel better, right? Just those simple movements and breath can change your day. You ready to fill out that report now? We're going to move through the spine even more. I'm going to take this left hand up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up like a rainbow. And bring my left hand over to my right knee, thigh, hip, leg, wherever coming into. Feel that twist already right there. And watch my shoulders as they drop down. My back right shoulder kind of opens up. And if I want more, I'm going to take this right hand, bring it over the top of the chair. Oh, and I go deeper in a twist. We go deeper. We don't twist. We don't yank. We don't pull. We just go deeper. What does that mean? Breathe and allow your body to naturally go there. If you feel any tension or tightness come up in your face and your shoulders, you went too far. Chill, relax, breathe. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Both hands reach up. Exhale, drop that right hand down. And twist coming over to the other side. Good, good, good. Find your twist, find your relaxation. Bring your chest up, relax, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Slowly coming back to the center, you feel better. So let's roll it out. This time, I want to bring my shoulders back. Yep, my shoulders come back first. My shoulder blades come together like I'm pinching my back. Good. I got angel wings and rolling those shoulders up, squeeze at the top. Ooh, that feels good. And then exhale, bring the shoulders together and down. Good. Shoulders come back and then together and down. Nice. One more time. Shoulders come back up, together and down. Ooh. Good, good, good. Relax the hands, relax the face. Take a breath here. And exhale. Good. I want to just gently move the spine, rolling. Hopefully, it's not a desk in front of you, but I want to roll my left shoulder over to the left side and then bring them down into the middle and then slowly coming on up. Good. You can add the head roll if you like, looking up. Come on down and around. Slowly coming up. Sit up nice and tall. And then exhale, going the other way. Oh, leaning forward. You start to feel that lower back wake up. Leaning back, the chest opens, rolling around, rolling around, rolling around, rolling, rolling, rolling. Oh, that does wonders for your abdominal, your oblique, your trunk, shoulders in that. Good. Let's move into the legs a little bit here. I want to take this left leg and extend it out. This is already enough. I'm pulling the toes back from the stretch of the back of my leg. I want a little more though. I want to come to the edge of my chair. The more I have off the chair, the more I have to stretch. So I'm sitting on the edge of my chair. I'm not falling off. I'm just sitting on the edge. I'm pulling my toes back and stretching the back of the left leg. Oh boy. As I go down to reach for my toes, ooh, I feel the stretch in the back of the left leg. Opening up good. Now, that right leg is coming up because it's giving me more support. If I want to go lower, I go down. You can bring that right leg wider to give yourself some more space. Ooh, feel that stretch here. 3, 2, 1. Good. Slowly roll up. I'm going to take this same right leg, bring it up. Good. Oh, into the chest or somewhere close to it. Bring it up. I just want to get this hip to wake up. I want to get this leg to wake up. So I pump the leg like this. Good. Open it up. Nice. Then I'm going to cross the leg. I can cross it here at the bottom. That's good. It's still opening up with the hip and the hamstrings. I can cross it at the top. Let's see what that brings you. All the way into the glutes, protecting the knee, curling those toes and making sure the knee isn't in pain. Good. Feel that stretch there. Then we're going to inhale slowly, extend that leg. Once again, don't kick your desk or your co-worker. Feel that stretch there and drop it down. Nice. Relaxing the legs. Breathe in here. Breathe out. Extending that right leg now. Oh, stretching through the foot, the back of the knee, the Achilles tendon, the ligaments in the feet and the toes. Feel that stretch in the leg. Good. Go ahead and spread your toes wide. Y'all see my toes? Nice and wide. Grip some things. Feel that stretch there. Rolling up, and then we're going to pump up the body, bringing the knee close to wherever we can. Could be chest, could just be barely lifting it off the ground if it even does that. Whatever. Your knee gets the message, your hip gets the message. So I'm giving a message of movement even when we're in the chair. Cross that leg over, you can go straight into it or leave it crossed at the bottom. A mixture, whatever. So that stretch. Their postures are amazing to help us reset and get back to our day in an amazing way. Roll the shoulders, roll the head, breathe in. All right. We'll dive into some more of these chair postures. You just got a nice taste. Get back to work and do what you need to do. I thank you so much. And as always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace, peace, peace.